Hey guys, this is T here from Uber Eats in Australia. I'm an account manager here.
Hi, my name is Karen. I'm the territorial lead for Ohio.
Hi, my name is Isabel and I'm on the merchant marketing team.
Hey, I'm Ariel. I'm account executive for Uber Eats in Australia.
We are the merchant product and ops team.
Hi, we're the Uber Eats operations team.
Hello, my name is Raquel Sul, and on behalf of the Central Canada team, I want to say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you for letting me be part of your journey.
for allowing us to play a small but growing role in your day-to-day.
For allowing us to take the quality and taste of your food to more and more customers.
Never stopping even at the hardest times.
Thank you for allowing us to partner with you.
I love working with RPs because you really become a part of a new family.
One of the reasons why I love my job is because I get to see the growth and the business goals that are achieved through using Uber Eats with my restaurant partners.
There's nothing I love more than to see my restaurant partners' success on the platform.
I work with a lot of restaurant owners day to day, especially family-run businesses, and one of the things I absolutely love is the passion they have behind the business.
As someone who has family in the restaurant business, I know of all the hard work and passion that is behind every meal.
I live in Brooklyn, New York, and I can be the first to tell you that the businesses around here are truly the backbone of this community.
You see how much love goes into every single detail for these restaurant owners.
You nourish us, you employ some of us, you're the treat at the end of a bad day or the reward at the end of a really great day.
As an Uber Eats orderer, it's given me so much appreciation for what goes into it and also what goes into just running a restaurant in general.
You're a big part of our company.
You're at the very center of everything that we do here. I'm so grateful for all that you do for my community and so many communities around the world.
So thank you.
Thank you for being amazing partners.
Thank you for helping us bring the Uber mission to life.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.